and suddenly you feel nervous, not because of what you'll say, but because of your breath. Mouthwash, gum, mints, you've tried everything. Still, bad breath comes back. Hi, today, I'll show you how to remove bad breath permanently using science-based dentist-approved methods. What causes bad breath? Bad breath is medically called halitosis. According to the American Dental Association, more than 85% of bad breath starts inside the mouth. Main causes include bacteria trapped on the tongue surface, gum disease and cavities, dry mouth, especially in the morning, smoking, coffee, and dehydration. The smell is caused by sulfur gases released by bacteria, and covering it doesn't fix the problem. Permanent dentist solutions? Checkmark tip 1. Clean your tongue daily. Your tongue holds more bacteria than your teeth. Use a tongue scraper every morning, gently, from back to front. This one habit alone can reduce bad breath by up to 60%. Checkmark tip 2. Brush and floss correctly. Brush twice a day for 2 full minutes, and floss once daily, because food stuck between teeth rots silently and produces bad odor. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. Saliva is your mouth's natural cleanser. When your mouth is dry, bacteria grow faster. Drink water throughout the day, especially if you drink coffee or alcohol. Tip 4. Use alcohol-free mouthwash. Alcohol mouthwash dries your mouth and worsens bad breath long-term. Choose alcohol-free, antibacterial mouthwash recommended by dentists. Tip 5. Fix the root cause. If bad breath lasts more than 2 to 3 weeks, it could be gum disease, cavities, or acid reflux. A dental checkup is the only permanent cure, not gum, not spray. Common mistakes. Chewing gum only masks the smell. Smoking makes it worse. Skipping floss feeds bacteria. These habits delay healing.
Bad breath is not normal, and it is 100% treatable. Follow these dentist tips consistently, and you'll notice improvement within 7 days. Like, share, and subscribe for more dentist-approved health advice.